Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
For today's class, I'm going to teach you all how to make breakfast sandwiches. The ingredients we're going to be using are eggs, Beyond breakfast sausage. Don't worry, it's plant-based. And for the bread, we have English muffins. We also have the optional choice of sliced cheese or ketchup if you guys want. Now this recipe is perfect because when you're on the go or in a hurry, right, having a breakfast sandwich handy can make a big difference. It's essential for when you have to go to work, or you have a final exam and you don't have time to make breakfast. With all that said, let's get started. First, we toast our English muffins. For this, we're going to be using a toaster oven, since it's a toaster. We'll lay 2 pounds of English muffins with the outer parts exposed. It's on top. And leave them in for 8 minutes. Next, we're going to do the sausage and eggs. Now, before we start, we cook both pans in oil. This one for the eggs. This one for the patties. Put in a few drops of olive oil and spread it around. Spread it around like so. Then we turn on both stove tops. Next, we add in our sausage patties. Like I said, they're plant-based. There's no actual meat in them. Next, we bring in our eggs to this pan. Now, when you're cooking the Beyond sausage patties, make sure you flip them on each side occasionally. So it's fully cooked. And when you're cooking the eggs, make sure to flip each side. Make sure each side is soft. It's a solid egg, buddy. Egg. For the sandwiches. And once the eggs are fully cooked, we cut them into thirds. Alright, since the first batch is going to be 3. As for the English muffins, make sure you leave both halves of each muffin toasted for 5 minutes, or at least until it's golden brown. All right, let's start. Let's assemble our breakfast sandwich. we got. Okay, first we grab the top, bottom of our English muffin. Next we bring in our egg. Our Beyond sausage patty. Next, and this part's optional. Next, and this part's optional. Yeah. Slice of cheese. And also ketchup. Also optional. A little dollop of ketchup. It's in the top bun. And just like that, we got ourselves a hearty and healthy breakfast sandwich.